yo. Madam,
yeah.
Like me this.
Yeah. Let's get it. We gonna get into the video.
Aquaba, welcome to our channel.
Hello everyone, it's your favorite baby girl AMARACHI. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, what's good, what's up, Kilo Pop, it's me, girl.
Subscribe button. I came to support you.
I'm here with my girl, my Ghanaian.
Come on,
My Ghanaian princess here. Yes, Upendo Malaika. Yes, you guys definitely go to her channel, subscribe. We filmed the video there along with V Naturals as well, so you guys need to go and check it out because it's a bang.
Why not?
You guys have been knowing that, you know. I want to marry a Ghanaian prince.
Will you keep quiet?
That's right.
So I need to practice. So today, Malaika will be teaching me Upendo Malaika. I'm saying the name over and over again, so then you can go and subscribe. Not that you say you don't know her name. I said it like 34 times.
If you don't know my name and you don't subscribe, how will she get the boy? Please.
Exactly. She's going to be teaching me tree in this video. Yes.
We are rehearsing for the marriage.
Yes.
So we're going to teach her basic Chi. Ghana has plenty languages, like maybe it's more, maybe Nigeria will have more languages as compared to Ghana, but Chi is widely spoken by most Ghanaians.
Okay.
Here, I'm your Chi teacher today.
Yeah.
Madam,
Yeah.
like me this.
Yeah. Let's get it. We gonna get into the video.
No. Okay, we have to do it before we go.
Okay.
Mia. That's right. Perfecto. 10 over 10. You don't even need lessons again. I can take certificate, give you.
I swear.
To start with, what she wants to know in Chi, and then I'll do the translation, and then she would say what I have said, because she has to practice, and practice makes perfect. Before you come to Ghana, you should know like basic Chi, because sometimes the people you come into contact with are like the local, so you'd have to communicate with them. And then, you know, language is something that, like, if you know how to speak it, or you can maneuver around the language, then it means that they can't cheat you. So exactly. I don't you see, Ghanaians are so like humble. I'm not like trying to,
I actually agree,
but like I'm not trying to say things that are not true, but like Ghanaians are very humble. So when you see Ghanaians, like one word they like to say is in Chi, it's please.
Yes, everything is please.
So please in Chi is me paucho. That is it.
Okay, so that's like when people say no wonder you guys say please so much.
Yes, there's a language when they're even insulting you, one of the Ghanaian languages, they'll even add please. Yes. Like when they want to insult you in their language, they speak it and they'll insult you. Yes, they'll say please and then insult you. The next thing is thank you. They love to say thank you. She's a perfect student already.
Oh God, I want to learn tree so bad.
Right now, undergraduate, you have passed it.
Yes.
So thank you is medase. If you want to say like maybe she says thank you, and then I want to say meso medase. That's like also saying me too, thank you.
Okay.
Like
meso medase.
Good morning.
Okay.
They like greeting. I don't even know why. But it's part of culture, and in African culture in general, they love greetings. You just can't bypass it. So good morning. Machi. Yeah.
Machi.
Good afternoon. Maha.
Good afternoon, Maha. So Machi, Maha.
And then good evening. Majo. Yes.
Okay. Machi, Maha, Majo.
Perfecto. She's a good student. If you want to buy something, because if you come here, you definitely buy something.
I know that one.
Okay. Me pese metoda.
Methode.
So if you want to buy something,
okay,
and then let's say you want to buy water, you say me pese meto insio. Me pese meto insio. So me pese is I want.
Okay.
Then meto is to buy. Like I want to buy. Then insio is water. But to be on the safer side, and then like maybe it's too long for you, so you want to say I want to buy something, like maybe you want to buy water. Yes, say meto insio. Meto insio. So you remove the me pese because the me pese is like you want to.
Okay.
So yes, say meto insio.
Meto insio.
Meto brodo. I want to buy bread.
Meto brodo.
Meto brodo.
Meto brodo.
Meto banche.
Meto banche.
You know banche?
Is that
cassava?
Cassava. Wow. Okay. Yes. Meto banche.
Meto bayure.
Meto bayure.
Bayure is yam.
Meto. Y'all like yam.
And then if somebody comes, like you have a visitor, the first thing.
Akwaba.
Welcome to our channel. Please subscribe, okay? Because she's doing tree lessons. She paid me in dollars, so that I teach her tree. Come to watch this video. So please watch and share, okay? Because she paid me in dollars. You want to say I love you? Medo.
I was about to say odo.
Odo is love.
Okay.
Like, odo is love. Medo. Yes. Medowo. Yes.
Medowo.
I don't like that. Maybe somebody's doing something and then, hey, you don't like it, so tell the person, Mempesa. And then you want to tell the person, don't do that. Menyesa. Oh, I'm loving. If you want to tell the person, continue what you are doing. Twaso.
And then don't come is bra.
And then go is ko.
Okay, bra, ko.
Sit down. Tenase. Stand up. Sorry. Yes.
Okay.
So tenase. Sorry. I don't know. Meaning. But if you say meaning, is I don't have.
Okay, meaning.
So if I say, oh, can you give me your blue pen? Then you say meaning. Then I'll ask you, what were he?
Where are you?
Yes.
What were he?
Yes. So where are you is what were he? Sisi awo he. No. I'm asking you.
Okay, you're
like
saying
now.
Sisia
is like now.
Okay, Sisia.
What were he? Then you say me wo cantonment.
Okay, me wo cantonment. I just like.
So I've done the basics with you. I've done a basic with you, like basic tree. That like.
Can I do an insult?
That's what. So I've done a basic tree with you.
Okay.
But if there is something that you want to know, tell me. Let me tell you.
Yes. How do you say somebody is a big fool?
These kind of insults, like, where Jimmy? Like, are you mad?
Okay. Where Jimmy?
Like, where Jimmy Anna? Like, where Jimmy Anna makes it a question. Like, where Jimmy Anna? Like, are you mad? But you are mad. Where Jimmy?
Where Jimmy? Where Jimmy?
Hey,
where Jimmy Anna?
Where Jimmy Anna?
Tell me where Jimmy Anna?
Is this one like kwasia?
Oh, I've heard that one. Kwasia. Is that what does that mean?
It's just like
are you crazy?
Like no, like are you crazy? But it's just also like you are stupid. I'm like kwasia.
Wait, tre.
What tre? TWI.
Tre. Oh, tre, not tre.
Oh, I mean
tre.
Is it? Don't say like your mother.
Okay, no, I was saying wait though.
Wait. You are insulting no. If you don't say that thing of me, you should have taken this one.
I'd be like tre.
No, can't do that. If you want to say wait, no, if you want to say like leave here, like you're fighting fiako means like leave here.
Okay.
Like leave here.
Okay.
And then your face. When nimbi. You see, if the person is being insulting, you can even look at the person's face and like
when nimbi.
Why should nim?
What? Try say it again.
Nim.
Oh.
When nim. You can
when
like
nim.
Shenenim is like look at his face like
when nim.
Shenenim.
When nim.
When nimbi.
Nyama. Yes.
So and if you want to say wait, train.
Train. Okay, so tre is the insult. Train.
Tre is a part of the body. Which is the vagina?
Oui. No wonder they keep laughing at me when I was saying it in the
Part of the body. It's called abache.
Abache.
But if you're not careful and you're pronouncing it, you be like abache and then like abache, like che, like che.
Ew. When I was trying to learn Yoruba, I used to say, because in Yoruba there's oko, like oko, then there's oko. Yeah. So before I was saying, oh, oko me, like husband, but that's not correct. Oko. That's why I said oko is not husband. Oko is husband. Oko is a different thing. But yeah, I really enjoyed this video a lot. Thank you so much for teaching me tree, and I hope we can do like a part 2 of this.
So let me sign up for you in Chi. So
Ooh,
yes.
yeah.
Auntie, say more about share your video YouTube. Now if I'm sure, subscribe to your channels. The links in the good description box. If I'm sure, subscribe. And I'm best in Chi.
Oh,
yeah, that's it.
No, that shot is so nice. I like singing. Oh my gosh, it's like she was singing to me. But yeah, I do everything she said. Okay. Subscribe to my sis channel as well. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you guys in the next one. Remember to stay good, stay popping, and you are limitless. Udo, bye.
So waiting day my order, my sweetie order. She just did.